Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to talk about your printmaking project and creating your design. It makes no difference what your subject matter is, our process is going to be the same. We're going to start with a line drawing based on some kind of photograph or an idea that fits our subject matter. Once you have your basic line drawing, I've only used lines, I have not shaded anything in. We need to plan out and decide what parts are going to be white and what parts are going to be printing, black or whatever color ink you're using. Unless you're doing a special kind of print called a rainbow roll, you're only going to be thinking about one color. We want to think about getting your design in half dark, half light, or half black, half white. We need a balance. It's not going to work if I shade everything in here and just carve out my lines. I need to think kind of in a checkerboard kind of pattern. It's like, if I have, the checkerboard works because we have a dark area next to a light area, next to a dark area, next to a light area. And I don't want to put another dark here because that'll all blend together. I want dark area there and a dark area there and so on down. So I have to kind of think in alternating lights. I need to think about alternating my light and dark areas. So I'm going to start filling in some of my area and starting to plan this out a little bit, and I'll come back. I've got my design pretty much planned out where my darks and lights are going to go, and we can still tell what my subject matter is, my flowers. So I went through and carefully thought about what things are. Like this is part of a flower petal, this yellow one right here. So I've got light, dark right next to it. Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. I could take that little piece out there to separate this flower from this one a little bit. I'm going to leave those two little pieces there though. Dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Going down this way, dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. It's that way all the way across. So in order for a shape to be defined, you've got dark next to dark, like this dark petal against this dark petal. I've got to leave that little sliver of white in between. Now, once you have that done, come see me, or if you are confused about anything, please come see me so we can get you working on the best print that you can possibly make.